So there are both the online and the offline methods that we use. So if I talk about the offline methods, as a bank, we of course do the whole satisfaction survey, the whole loyalty survey. They are done at a certain interval of time. Having said that, we of course use in the whole digital space, we do use listening tools. We have created a very different process to hear and respond to stuff that is happening in the entire digital space, because we really didn't want to mix that with the offline space. So I think because a lot of this listening and a lot of this responding that you do in the whole digital space happens in a certain time band. And I think both from an online perspective and from an offline perspective, all the feedback that we get, all the queries that we get, all the complaints that we get, there is a certain learning in all of those. I think the whole social media and digital way of listening is that I think it's more on the go, every day kind of a thing. While when you do a satisfaction or a loyalty survey, that is over a period of time, and that sort of captures a certain time band. But I think what is more realistic and what is more sort of latest is what you are getting from when you're listening into all the blogs and all the consumer forums and what people are saying on your social media platforms. So I think the focus really is, and that's what we've been trying to do, is to create a very a robust and a very different process when you're listening and responding to what is happening in digital versus what is happening in offline.